So I'm gonna show you guys today. If you guys own a Hyundai Ionic Hybrid, so if you worry about like spare tire problem, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. So this is 2021 Ionic Hybrid, and we all know it does not come with the spare tires. They just use a um, repair kit, but most people like a spare tire. It's a little bit better than this solution. So anyway, if you guys like to carry spare tires, so I was gonna just show you. This is hybrid, and most of the time people said that they don't have enough space to keep spare tires. But this hybrid, like all Hondas made from 2020 to 22 2020 to 2022 models, like it's okay to keep regular tires in there, and also all you have to do remove this repair kit tools and that plastic board, and after that, if you want to put the board on the top of the tire, it will work fine. So now I'm gonna show you, like, there's regular tires. All you need to do is just buy regular tires and put in there, and then this is top floor, and no problem. It's just like before. All you have to do is just take this stuff off, and this stuff is only just made for tires repair kit anyway. If you have regular tires like this, I don't have extra tire right now, but in the future I'm gonna buy like this wheel and tires too, and then I'm gonna put like this. And also there's some stuff you needed to, there's a screw down there, you need a stuff to put a tight this tires. It's gonna be like every time, like when we are spare tires out, and then there's something you have to untie because you can't keep in a cars like that. It's not safe. It has to be screw on that thread down there, you can see it, and you have to tie them up to be safe for drive. So that's the plan. If you own Hyundai Ionic Hybrid, that's the solution for the spare tires. And so that was just test, and now I'm gonna put that wheel back again. And I was repairing a little bit of wheel, so that's was kind of idea come up. So I was thinking if I can share that idea with you also, guys. Alright guys, if you like this video, and see you in the next one. So I just got flat tires bit of the night. There you go. Now, good thing I have the spare tires back there. Almost half of it done. So what happened is actually, so I noticed that's the flat tire. So there is screw, and also we got to blow up the tire right here. That's why all the airs come out in a few seconds. Well, anyway, good thing I have a spare tires, so gonna put in the rear side of the car, and then we're good to go. मुर्गा बोलने लग पे
दिन चढ़ गया
तो रात में नहीं है रात नो टायर फ्लाइट इधर माल है
नवा ही बोले हो डर
आ जड़ा कवर है ये बाप से थे लगना इधर का इधर मोरे ਦਾ ਲੌਕ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਿਆ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਬੈ
ਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਲਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਥੱਲੇ
लाइट कर इधर बचा है alright that's complete tire change